Come on!
Okay, I'm taking a video of this and we're watching him.
Hey, don't hit my car.
I hope he gets stuck.
Oh my God! Eric, smile for the camera. Oh yeah! Keep going, bro. Keep on moving on.
Gotta go faster!
You got stuck, bro. You stuck, really? You got stuck, bro. There we go. All right. Fast truck derby, 2011. Jeff Hagan. Are you putting more snow in there? Good, bad or good?